Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to drive a car. Now this will be an absolute basic and beginner driving lesson, and I'll be showing you the basics of getting started with driving. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, you obviously have to get into the car. I was going to start this video outside of the car, but it's raining pretty hard, so I started this video in the car. So you're going to get into the car, you're going to take your key, and you're going to start the car. Now, be advised that I'm doing this video in an automatic car. This car has an automatic transmission. If you are driving a manual car, there's going to be more to it than what I explained in this video. So this tutorial is specifically for an automatic car, but you can take a lot of the stuff that I say and apply it to driving a manual car as well. But it won't be, word for word the same thing. So with an automatic car, you take your key, you put it inside of the key slot, and then to start the car, you want to turn the key twice. At first, that's going to turn on the accessories. So I'm going to turn the key once and twice. The accessories are now on and the key's in the on position. What I want to do to actually start the engine is I want to turn it a third time and hold it there until the engine starts and then release it. So I'm going to turn it one more time and hold it there until I hear the engine start, and then I release it. Just like that. I held it there, the engine started, and then I released the key. Now the engine has been started. Now, you want to let your car warm up for ideally at least about 30 seconds. It doesn't take 10 minutes for a car to warm up, even in the freezing cold weather. But you want to at least let your car warm up for 30 seconds. What that does is it gets the oil and all of the different liquids inside of the engine to circulate through the components, and it gets your car ready to be driven. Now, when you're ready to actually start driving your car, this is what you're going to do. You're going to put on your seatbelt. It's very important to wear your seatbelt, okay? Very, very important. A seatbelt is an amazing invention, and you should be putting it on before you put your car into one of the gears. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your right foot, okay? And you want to press it on the brake. Now, there's two pedals down there. The one to the right is the gas pedal. The one to the left is the brake pedal. The brake pedal's a little bit wider usually, and the gas pedal's a little bit taller. So I have my foot pressing down on the brake pedal. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to shift the gear selector into drive. Now drive is the gear that allows you to drive forward. Reverse is the gear that allows you to drive backwards. Park is the gear that allows your car to stay put. And that's all that we're going to go over for now. We won't go over neutral and any other gears. We're just going to be focusing on drive and reverse. So I'm going to hold my foot pressed down firmly on the brake. I'm going to take the gear selector, put it into drive. My car is now in drive. My foot is pressed down on that brake pedal, and that's why my car's not moving anywhere. What you want to do next, with your foot being pressed down on that brake pedal, is you want to take your parking brake. You want to release the parking brake if it's been set like this. So what I do is I pull it up a little bit. I use my thumb to press this button in, and I hold that button in, and then I release it, just like that. Now, be warned, be aware that now your car is actually ready to move, okay? Now, my foot is pressed down on the brake pedal. When I want to start moving, to get started, to start driving, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly release the brake pedal. I'm not just going to lift my foot off the brake pedal, and I'm definitely not going to press the gas if you're just getting started with learning how to drive. You are going to just release your foot off of the brake pedal slowly to get a feel for the car moving. Now, I'm going to head left in this parking lot, so I'm going to put my left turn signal on, which is just this lever over here to the left of the steering wheel. Put my left turn signal on, I'm slowly releasing the brake pedal, and as you can see, the car is now starting to move. You can see over here it's starting to move. I've fully released the brake pedal, and because I'm on a little bit of a hill, it's taking a while to get going, but it's good. It's starting very slowly. I'm going to turn the steering wheel to maneuver the front of the car, just like that. Okay, now my foot is hovering over the brake pedal. I'm not pressing the gas pedal. Now that I'm moving forward, I'm going to press the brake pedal slowly and continue pressing on it until I bring the car to a stop. I've now got moving and brought the car to a stop. Okay, so we're not even touching the gas pedal yet. Next, I want to go over reversing. So I'm going to hold my foot down firmly on the brake pedal. The car's at a stop. My foot is pressed down on that brake pedal. I'm going to take the gear selector. I'm going to put it into reverse. Okay, drive is the D on the gear selector. Reverse is the R, just so that it's clear. Now my car is in reverse. Now what I want to do before I actually reverse is make sure that it's safe to reverse. Checking my 3 mirrors, my 1 in the middle and my 2 on the sides, turning my head head around, looking all around to make sure that it is actually safe to reverse before I actually reverse. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slowly release my foot off of the brake pedal. While the car moves backwards, I'm going to be checking everything once again to make sure that it's safe. So I've slowly released it. As you can see, the car is starting to move. So I'm going to turn my head, look out that rear windshield, check my mirrors, check my blind spots, which is basically a check over your shoulder, and continue reversing backwards. And my steering wheel is straight because I'm reversing straight. If I want to reverse to the left, I turn the steering wheel to the left. If I want to reverse to the right, I turn the steering wheel to the right. If I want to reverse straight, my steering wheel is straight. The next thing that I want to go over, I'm going to bring the car to a complete stop by pressing the brake pedal nice and firmly, smoothly but firmly. The next thing that I want to go over is just lightly feathering the gas. And this will be the last step in this driving video for getting started. So I'm going to put the car back in drive. My foot was on the brake so the car's not moving. Turn on my windshield wipers because it's raining outside. And I'm going to release the brake and just barely touch the gas pedal. And I'm going to steer while I do that. So I'm actually going to just steer around over here. So I'm going to release the brake pedal and turn my steering wheel. Now, whenever you are turning the car, you should check your mirrors. So my rear view mirror and the left side mirror because I'm turning left, and also my left blind spot, which is basically a check over your shoulder. You want to make sure that you do that to make sure that it is safe to actually steer the car in that direction before you actually do it. So I know that it's safe. I've checked my mirrors, my blind spot. I know that it's good to go. I'm releasing the brake pedal slowly. Now I fully release the brake pedal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let the car drive, and I'm going to press the gas over here once I get a little straight. So I'm barely pressing the gas pedal right now, okay? Barely pressing the gas pedal. My foot is just barely even touching it, and the car is accelerating nice and slowly and smoothly. Now, those are the basics for getting started. You don't want to press the gas pedal really hard. And I'm going to pull over here. So I have my right signal on, do my mirror check, my blind spot check, and steer to the right to pull over just like that, okay? Those are the basics of driving a car. Once again, in this video, I didn't want to go over all of the extremely advanced and extremely difficult things. I just wanted to go over the basics. And what I did there is, after I brought the car to a complete stop and my foot was pressed firmly on the brake pedal, I shifted into park so that now the car won't move anywhere, and I pulled the handbrake. I engaged the handbrake, and to do that, I just simply pulled it up like that, and that allowed me to make sure that my car wouldn't roll back or forth even the slightest bit. So this was just a basic driving video. I just wanted to go over the basics, how to get started with driving a car. I've done many videos, hundreds of videos of driving skills that are basic to advanced, but I don't think I've done a video that is just geared towards the bare minimum, bare bones basics of driving, just like this in a parking lot, getting started. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video down below as a comment. What do you think about getting started in driving? Was this video helpful for you? Let me know down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.